Confident English Daily. Real conversations, real confidence.
Welcome back to Confident English Daily. Today's episode is about how to stop freezing and start speaking English naturally in real situations. Let's join Sarah and Rocky.
Rocky, last time you said your mind goes blank when you try to speak English. Is that still happening?
Yes, Sarah. Especially in meetings. I know what I want to say, but I suddenly stop. I feel nervous and forget everything.
That usually happens when you try to speak perfectly instead of speaking simply.
So I should not think about grammar too much.
Exactly. Think about meaning first. If the person understands you, that is success.
But I still feel people will judge my English.
Most people don't focus on your mistakes. They focus on your message. And even fluent speakers make mistakes. They just continue speaking.
I always stop when I make a mistake.
That's what you need to change. Don't stop. Just correct and continue.
But sometimes I completely forget what to say next.
Then use a simple support line like, "Let me think for a second." It gives you time and keeps you in control.
That sounds helpful. I always thought I must answer immediately.
No pressure. Speaking slowly and clearly is better than rushing and freezing.
Okay. But I also feel shy in group conversation.
Start with small entry sentences. Can I add something? Or, I think I have a point. You don't need perfect English to enter the conversation.
I like that. It feels easier now.
Good. And remember, confidence grows when you speak, not when you stay silent.
I will try this in my next meeting.
And that's today's episode of Confident English Daily. Remember, simple English plus brave action equals real confidence. See you next time.